say, wherever you work, you got to have good co-workers with you. If you don't have a good co-worker beside you, your day could be miserable. If you have somebody that's great beside you, they can make from night and day difference from where you're working.
They're so nice in here, caring for all the employees that they have.
A lot of factories don't care about you as a person. DENSO, for one, I've seen that throughout the year. They care about you.
They've been very good to my family. I have 3 boys who have worked here.
The president always comes down and says happy birthday to you. It makes you feel like you're a person instead of just a number.
It's a nice feeling because you know you're like in good hands and you know you're appreciated. When you have problems when it comes to work, then you have people that you can rely on that will help you.
Every day you come in, there's going to be a rotation set up on the board. You'll be between 4 different stations, depending on what you know. When you first come in, you get trained for a 2-week period to try to learn multiple stations, whatever you're best fit for. You'll have a morning huddle every day to let you know what's going on, what the build is, what to expect throughout the plant, throughout the day. Maybe if there's a lunch or a new safety meeting or something like that that's going on, they'll inform you of that. And then every 2 hours, you'll rotate through whatever station that they've assigned you to.
That's how I like to rotate and work, because I don't like to stand and work in one place. I like to learn things and I like rotation.
This factory is not intimidating at all. It's a lot cleaner environment than most places. You could almost eat off the floors of how often they clean everything in here. You might go home with a little bit of grease on your hands and a little bit of dirt. That's about it.
If you want to learn, they'll teach you anything here.
Anybody who's motivated, who's a hard worker, if you want to advance yourself or do something and you're willing to put the time and effort in, there's lots of places you can go.
If you've been in a department that you've been in for, say, 3 or 4 years, and you just want to change the scenery or you just want to learn something else, DENSO will give you that opportunity.
I like what I'm doing. I like the people that I work with my department. And I feel secure here. Like, I know like in every company, there's always a bad side, but I don't see that bad side in DENSO right at this moment.
You make good money, good benefits. The hours are there if you want them. I don't want them because I'm older. It's a good place to work. They treat you like family.
I always recommend to my friends or anybody who's looking for a job to try coming to DENSO. You start off with a great wage, benefits, the whole 9. Every few months you get a raise. It's a really good job.
For me, as long as I can work, I'll work here in DENSO.